Basically, when you have these sub things playing before the kick gets in, you want to fade them away slightly, so it's almost unlistenable to listener, but it's happening because if you have this very boomy sub pad playing and then you want to go straight into the kick, you're losing that sort of a gap. You know, the human ear can't really remember much. It's the short memory on ears is very, very short. So even if you remove the bass line for one bar, which is 4 beats, the ear will all completely forget it, and after that you can just go back into the kick, bass and full on sound, and people will just enjoy it much better because there was this small little gap of no bass playing. And for example, EDM guys are using this a lot. You have a really crazy, strange rise before the drop is coming, and then they have this one bar silence, or they put some snares or something like that in between, or a vocal, or just saying put your hands up, and it works because after that you can put whatever you want, the ear will not recognize it.